Welcome to the YuviSharma channel. Hello kids. Today we are going to play an exciting math game called Guess the right answer for big numbers subtraction. Look at the numbers carefully, think fast, and choose the correct answer. Are you ready? Let's begin. First question is 30 minus 20. Let's check the options 18, 19, 20. Answer is 20. 38 minus 18 equals to 20. Next question 64 minus 45. Let's check the options 18, 19, 17. Answer is 19. 63 minus 45 equals to 19. Next question 44 minus 22. Let's check the options 20, 21, 22. Answer is 22. 44 minus 22 equals to 22. Next question 50 minus 15. Let's check the options 33, 34, 35. Answer is 35. 50 minus 15 equals to 35. Next question 30 minus 20. Let's check the options 10, 20, 30. Answer is 10. 30 minus 20 equals to 10. Great job, kids. You did amazing in this nighttime subtraction quiz. Good night, sweet dreams, and keep shining like the stars. Thank you kids. Like, share and subscribe to my channel for more learning videos.
Goodbye.